White honey juice and large punk melon spikes, 3 for $5. Mix and match if you like. We have parsley, we have corn, we have carrots, we have bok choy, we have tomatoes, we have everything you need right over here. Oh, mention with the set right now, it's $1, $1. Don't get your chips priced over here. Not over there, not over here. Where I am right now, $1. Come get your chip in front of here.
Hi lovely viewers, welcome to Ama's Corner. Today I'm out of the kitchen to shop for fresh food, vegetables, meats, etc. So come along and let's go shopping. So this is where I normally get my seasons for my cooking. So at this moment I'm going to get thyme for one of my cooking.
It's already rubbed. Yeah. Not too sure. You can get it, but not a lot of people ask for it.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Lovely lady waiting here and this lovely gentleman.
And that's the peri-peri chicken.
Oh, milk tea, yeah. It's like I'm doing the caramel.
So you know how they use the tapioca, the black tapioca
Oh,
to make
yeah.
the milky tea?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you can use like the oolong tea. That sounds popular, so
The milky tea, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Cause I think they have normally the oolong tea and the
Black tea. Yeah.
to
So I checked and I saw that and they said black tea as well. That is how. Yeah, we use it for drink. Yeah, we cook it with pineapple and mint. Yeah, then we add ice to it, then it becomes chilled. Yeah,
and I do like the ice tea with it.
yeah.
Water and ice.
Yeah. It tastes really yummy with a little bit of sugar. Yeah. So guys, I found Ghana sobolo here at Brisbane Market. That is so amazing. So today I'm going to make sobolo with these lovely herbs. Okay guys, so I'm not going to get my vegetables. I'm done with my spices. And let me know.
here for $1.99 a kilo. If you're lucky, you might find one with a bigger head than mine, but I doubt it, folks. Iceberg lettuce with a beautiful solid heart just like mine. Only 69 cents each of iceberg lettuce right down here for you. Only $1.99 a kilo of zucchini today. If you pay more than $1.99 a kilo on Cavendish bananas, unfortunately you're getting ripped off, folks. Our Cavendish bananas over in the far corner, only $1.99 a kilo. Lift up the strawberries. 500 gram punnets of strawberries for only $5. That's 2 kilos.
So that is 99 cents per kilo. 99 cents per kilo. I'll just drop this. Get my onions.
We've got red capsicums here, folks. Beautiful red capsicums at $2.99 a kilo.
Sweet potatoes to make baby food for my daughter. She's busy looking at everything. This avocado is really nice. So, fruits, vegetables are done. Okay.
White honeydews and large rock melons, folks. 3 for $5. Mix and match if you like.
Strawberries are really cheap in here. It's 4 for $5. That is awesome. Then they can eat strawberries. Really big in there. Very big. Look at that. Very big. Massive. I'm just going to put it on my YouTube channel. People keep on asking where I got my fresh food from. I just told you so. Yeah, I should post it inside. Well, let's go.
Never show that to
today's episode. I hope you enjoyed walking into the market with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'll see you the same time next week. Bye.